I'm Max Dalton, and in this video, I'll show you how to lock a chat on WhatsApp. In a world where privacy is key, sometimes you want that extra layer of security for your WhatsApp chats. In this video, I'll show you how to lock a chat on WhatsApp, ensuring your conversations stay just between you and your contacts. It's important to note that WhatsApp chats are locked just on the specific devices you lock them on, and not all of your devices, and not for anyone else in that chat. Also, when you lock a chat on WhatsApp, you have to access them through a Locked Chats section in the Chats menu. Now let's walk through the steps to lock a chat on WhatsApp. Step 1. Launch WhatsApp on your iPhone or Android device. You'll land on your WhatsApp home screen. Step 2. Tap Chats in the menu along the bottom of the screen. The Chats home screen is displayed. Step 3. Find the WhatsApp chat you want to lock and then tap to open it. Step 4. Tap the name of the chat at the top of the screen. The group info screen is displayed. Step 5. Scroll down this menu until you find Chat Lock and then tap Chat Lock. A Chat Lock screen is shown, letting you know that by locking this WhatsApp chat, you'll need to use your Face ID to open this chat and read notifications on this device. Additionally, locked chats will be kept in a separate location from other chats. Step 6. Tap to toggle on Lock this chat with Face ID. A window pops up letting you know that this chat is now locked and that you can find it in the Chats tab. Going forward, you can find your locked WhatsApp chats by tapping Chats in the menu at the bottom of the screen and then tapping Locked Chats. You can access your locked chats in this menu. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.